In this video, I am going to show you how to use Canva AI Image Generator. Step 1. Open Canva and decide on your approach. You can either start with a blank canvas to let your creativity flow freely, or select from an array of templates tailored to various needs and occasions. 2. Within the Canva editor, find the sidebar positioned on the left side of your screen. Look for the Apps option and click on it. This section houses various integrations and features, including text-to-image and AI Image Generator. 3. Upon selecting the text-to-image app, you'll be prompted with a space to describe the image in your vision. The effectiveness of the AI meeting your expectations correlates with the clarity and details of your description, so be as descriptive as possible. 4. Canva offers a variety of artistic styles for your AI-generated image, such as watercolor, filmic, neon, color pencil, etc. Browse through and select what aligns with your mood. 5. With your detailed description and chosen style in place, click the Create Your Image button. The AI will then process your input and generate an image tailored to your specifications. After your image has been generated, Canva allows you to further personalize it. Utilize the platform's extensive library of effects, filters, and design elements to refine and enhance your image. Once your content is generated, you can either download it to your device by clicking on the Download button or integrate it into other Canva projects. Additionally, Canva provides sharing options to enable you effortlessly distribute your creation across your preferred digital platforms. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.